Hi there, all of you. I wanted to get on for a couple minutes here and talk about a few of the challenges that we may have had with our back office and kind of show you some tips or things that you can do to work around some of the issues that you may still be having. First, I want you to know that the home office continues to work on all of the challenges that we report. So if there is something that you are coming across that maybe you haven't seen yet in any of the other Facebook groups like Kara Menz's Color Streakers group or Dawn Shea's Serendipity group, pass that on to me so that I can make a connection with the right people so we can try to help with the issue. But a couple of things that came up is that we have actually two different websites. The one is our personal website. I'm going to share my screen with you here so that you can kind of see what I am talking about. Okay, so there's two different sites. This is the site that you're going to share with all of your customers. This is your www.mycolorstreet.com/ your advisor number or your name. It can show up either way. Mine is my advisor number. And so this is going to be the link that your customers will go to, and they will click on the word shop here, and let's just say they're going to shop our colors, and then up here at the top of this they can look for the specific nail bar party. So these are nail bars that I have going on, so we'll just pick mine here, and of course, it's not showing up at the moment. So anyway, once you, that is one option, is that they can go there. The other office that I'm referring to is your virtual office, which is this screen, and then you will log in and go to your parties, and I do view open parties, and then find my listed parties here. So the thing is that you want to, when you're at a party, you want to go in this way to enter orders. So if I'm going to put a customer's order into my party, I'm going to click on the word manage parties. And then it shows me all the details of the party, and I'm going to add a party guest. So if you know that this person has ordered with you before, you're going to click on add an existing guest, and if it's a new person, you're going to click on add guest. Now, so there's been a couple of challenges with emails related to our customers that are already in. So if you have a customer that, I don't know, maybe you can't find that customer or whatever, it may be related to the email that's associated with them. If they have been added by any of your previous hostesses into, if they were invited from a previous hostess, they're already going to be in your back office, even though they may not have been an actual customer with you. So you can search for them. And then over here, you can edit the information so that you could possibly change an email address. So I want to describe that because when you, right now I'm in my own party, and yesterday I wanted to order the Halloween nail strips. And so as a customer, you want to order in your own party, but you can't use the same email address as the hostess. So I'm the hostess, My email that I use for everything is dianecasperson@yahoo.com. And because I'm ordering, that's how I set up my nail bar as the hostess. And now that I'm ordering, I have to go in and enter a different email here. So I changed this to my dianecasperson@gmail.com address to order as a customer. So you guys should do that too. Make sure that you have 2 different email addresses so that you can go in your own nail bar and order as a customer. It tells us right here, do not use your hostess email. So it's speaking directly to us. We have to have a different email address in there. One issue that we came across was, well, me personally, I just moved recently, so I would be an example where once you add a hostess to your once you add a hostess that's already an existing customer, you can't change their information. So if you had added me as a customer in your nail bar, it would have gone to my South Dakota address. Well, now I'm in Indiana and there's no way to change that. So one solution would be that you add that person, in this case, add me as a customer, and you change my address to my Indiana address as opposed to my Sioux Falls, my South Dakota address, and then save that. And you don't need to put in an order or anything, but then you can add me as a hostess with my new address. It's just kind of a workaround. The company is working on being able to edit that hostess information, but right now it's just not an option. So this is where you could change that information. If you do not have a second email address that you can use, you would want to go ahead and develop a new address. They are saying that Gmail addresses work better than Yahoo addresses, so keep that in mind. Another thing that I want to show you is one of the challenges has been this AVS failure. And so I want to go back in here and show you what, I'm going to exit out of that one, show you what one of the challenges that we have discovered has been. So when you go in here to your customer and you're going to add an order, and this may just help you save time or challenges when you are in your, whoops, I wanted to create an order, not do what I just did. This AVS failure seems to be coming from when you are verifying that address. So let's just go here and let's just, I went into a different one, but create an order here. Okay, so we're just gonna add an order. Let me tell you this as well. I have had customers report that adding here using this add to bag order is sometimes not adding the order, and it possibly could be related to using a phone. I'm not sure, but if you go to the view cart, so my Ghostess with the Mostess is in there, but they have told me that when they click on that add to cart, it doesn't go in the bag. They have to actually wait until that particular nail strip loads and then go down below the picture like it used to look in our old system and click on the add to order there. One place to easily adjust your amounts is once you get to this checkout, you can change this to a 2 and update quantities rather than trying to add numbers anywhere else. This is the easiest way to do that. And now I'm just going to go to checkout to show you specifically what I wanted to show you about the verify address thing. Okay, so right now when it comes up, your customer has this 5-digit zip code. When you verify the address, it adds 4 additional codes, and that verify address is what has been causing a problem with the AVS error. I don't know if it happens all the time. On mine just now, it didn't happen, but that is what I've understood from reading through all the different comments that people are having an issue with. So let me just go back to my cart. And I'm going to check out again. Okay, it's not gonna let me go there. I'm gonna get all the way out of this and go back in. I just want to show you that you can bypass that verify address. You don't have to hit that button in order to place your order. So just avoid that verify address button because it's not necessary. You don't have to use it to create your order. And because I know after reading that has been causing problems, I don't use it at all, and I haven't had any problems with the AVS message. However, the first few days that I was trying to order, I was, and on my phone I couldn't see what it was saying, but it kept popping up that there was an error, and that's what I have discovered it to be. So we're just going to add this real quick again, and then view my cart and check out. Okay, so from here, you don't have to verify address. You can just click ship to this address, and then it will take you to the next page, and you can add your credit card. Again, once you add your card, then the same verify address comes up. Don't click that button at all. You don't need to, and your order will ship to you. So let's see what else. I wanted to show you Facebook. So in your Facebook events, oh shoot, I just exited out of Facebook. So in your Facebook events, as you've heard over and over again, Facebook is changing. And I have noticed that I'm not even getting notifications in the nail bars that I set up. And so I want to show you that each nail bar that you set up, you're going to want to go into this 3-dot system, click notification settings, and make sure that you're clicked on all notifications. I think that mine has been on highlights, so I have already updated this one. And then I actually put together a little post that says, you've been invited to the nail bar, now what? Click going, click more, then click notification settings, and then all notifications. And I'm posting that right in my events so that everybody knows that they can, that they need to do that in order to see all of the posts that are going on. So let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you. I can't help you if I don't know what your questions or concerns are. So drop me a comment if there's anything that I can help you with. And by the way, yesterday when we launched our Halloween line, the Color Streakers team had 30,000 nail strips that we purchased. And within Dawn Shea's team, the Serendipity team, we're under her umbrella, it was like 1.1 million nail strips or something ridiculous, which is pretty amazing. And there are a couple of the Halloween nail strips that did sell out yesterday. And they are currently in the process. They have the nail strips ready. They just have to repackage them. Not repackage them, but package them. They do all of their packaging by hand. And so I just listened to the team call, and they have hired 2 more customer service people that will, hired 2 more people to help with packaging and getting those nail strips back in stock again. So we should have those in 1 to 2 days. So thanks, guys. I hope you're having a great week, and let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you later.